There are many ways that dental implants can improve your life. First of all, when you have dental implants, just like your natural healthy teeth, you shouldn't be thinking about your implant because they become part of your normal healthy teeth. You shouldn't be worried that your teeth don't feel natural. Dental implants give you almost 100% of your natural chewing power. You really should be able to eat anything you want without being concerned that your teeth are not going to be strong enough or healthy enough. Dental implants are non-removable. They're a permanent part of your life. With proper maintenance, you should be able to have implants last a lifetime. It's important to replace missing teeth to avoid shrinkage of bone, shifting of teeth. That can lead to problems with the adjacent teeth, change in the bite, and a decline in oral health. With dental implants, you never have to worry about decay or root canals. If you don't replace missing teeth and you experience shifting and changing, it's like a slow motion domino effect. And what happens is the amount of dentistry and care it takes you to correct it become very comprehensive, which is also very expensive. So by simply replacing one or several teeth with dental implants early, you can avoid many complications and much cost later. So patients that are missing a single tooth are candidates for dental implants, and patients who are missing many teeth are also a candidate. Each treatment needs to be individualized and customized for their specific concerns and needs. In many cases, we can do a full arch of treatment where you can place the implant and replace a bridge that gives you immediate non-removable teeth just in one day. Many patients are surprised that sometimes you can take out a tooth and immediately place an implant at the same time. And we customize for each patient to make sure that we're trying to keep the treatment as short as possible. The best thing to do to find out what's right for you is just give our office a call or go to our website and make an appointment. We'd be happy to figure out what the right option is for you.